Bitch like a mom. Just talk to my chair in the sun.